You're working harder than ever, watching more tutorials, testing more tools, and reading more advice. And somehow, despite all of that, you're finishing less. Most creators blame motivation. They think they need more discipline, more drive, and more willpower. But that's the wrong explanation. The real barrier is structural. It's built into your workflow, not your character. It's input saturation, information overload, analysis paralysis, whatever name you prefer. Once you see it clearly, everything starts to make sense. Look at your browser. 10 tabs, 12 tabs, maybe 15 open right now. Each one feels important. A tutorial, a new tool, a framework, a competitor to study. You're not wasting time, you're trying to get better. But you don't just have browser tabs open, you have mental tabs open too. Unfinished ideas, advice you're still weighing, tools you haven't committed to yet. Those tabs don't close when you shut your laptop. They keep running quietly in the background. Then come the ideas. Some in notebooks, some in your phone, others on napkins or bits of paper in your car. By the end of the week, you have more ideas than you can keep track of. All promising, all possible. So instead of choosing one, you tell yourself, you'll look at them later. Research feels productive, testing feels smart, preparation feels responsible, but direction slowly fades and clarity starts to blur. You rethink your workflow. You question your audience. You second-guess your strategy. You feel busy all day, but nothing gets finished. The real cost isn't stress. It isn't guilt. It's time and energy. Your focus is limited every single day, and every decision quietly drains it. 15 tabs create decisions. Multiple tools create decisions. Conflicting advice creates decisions, and every decision pulls you out of creating and into evaluation mode. As my tool stack grew, my output dropped. More options didn't create more progress. They created more hesitation. One tutorial is 1 hour not spent creating. One new tool is time not spent mastering the current one. Small costs compound. 10 tutorials, 5 tools, multiple unfinished ideas. That adds up faster than you think. Time lost doesn't return. You feel productive all day, but progress is measured by what gets finished. This isn't laziness. It's saturation. And saturation feels intelligent because research feels safe and preparation feels responsible. But consuming and creating are two completely different actions. And you built a system that keeps you in input mode but leaves very little room for output. That's structural, and structural problems can be changed. You're not broken, you're overloaded. If this resonates with you, you're not lazy. You're saturated. That realization alone can feel like relief. And in the next video, we'll show you how we're going to solve this.